Hi, welcome back to the progressive writing system. As we were talking about earlier, the parts of speech are important to build sentence structures. Sentence structures are used to convey an idea, which we call a paragraph, in the writing process. We're going to use something in the progressive writing system that is unbelievable. It'll improve your writing 300%. It's called the skeleton paragraph, and it started with a topic sentence, and then we structure it with 10 supporting sentences. This is the paragraph. Once you identify your ideas and you write them down, the thought process is over. You are done with writing. And all you have to do now is use the 4 sentence structures to turn these ideas into a paragraph. And that's where you would use your topic sentences, and you would have a string of sentences, and you're conveying the idea. Now, in the paragraph, your topic sentence is what the idea is about. And you'll hear teachers say, you have to have a topic sentence. This is what they're talking about. Every paragraph starts with a topic sentence. And then the ideas support that topic sentence. Each one of these ideas will support this topic sentence, otherwise known as supporting sentences. When you have this skill, you can write a coherent paragraph. When you can do this, then you're ready to write the essay. And I'm going to discuss that in the next video, and then we're ready to get started.